My name is Chloe. I'm getting this style today just because I've had the same hairstyle for a very long time. Probably around 10 years. I go to the same hairdresser every time. They cut it the same way. And honestly, I'm pretty bored of my haircut.
Hi, I'm Robertina. I am part of the Aloxxi education team. When I first laid eyes on Chloe's hair, I knew I was gonna pull from Aloxxi's Dimensions line. Starting at a natural level 3 can be a little scary when you're playing with reds and coppers. With Chloe, we decided zigzag was the way to go. Starting on her right side, I took horizontal sections, but I used a zigzag parting. I used 3 different formulas along with her base color formula. So we used 0.44, which is intense copper, 0.66, which is intense red, and then my personal favorite, 0.26, which is violet red. Using zigzag partings, I alternated the formulas. I made sure to pull the base color through. So what this technique does is it gives Chloe a balayage look without me having to actually balayage her hair. With Dimensions, I let it process for the full 45 minutes, wanting to make sure that we had the full lift and the full deposit. Once we were fully done processing, we rinsed her out, color locked, and moved on. Once we established her perimeter and got rid of the unnecessary heaviness through her ends, I went through and took horizontal sections, slightly elevated from the one beneath, to create a nice, soft layering through her ends. She already had an existing fringe, so we cleaned that up a little bit and just made sure to really curtain that out. I used a nickel-sized amount of gel wax with a golf ball-sized amount of volumizing whip. Once it dried, because of how the volumizing whip works, she had a nice, soft, shiny finish, and thanks to the gel wax, we had the perfect amount of hold.